Pacific, northwestern city of Virginia Beach, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Ocean View and moving east at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cape Henry around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. The National Weather